Hey guys, Ryan with Coupon Cove here. We run a coupon and discount website at couponcove.co. I'm here to watch Coupon with Star with you and react to her awesome tactics at saving lots and lots of money and even getting money back for purchasing. So she's doing this haul in CVS. I want to watch it here and I want to show you while she goes through some of those calculations. We've developed a tool, a calculator, that helps you calculate all the discounts. So as you're out and about trying to figure out how much items are going to be, you can use our tool, our calculator. It's completely free. So I'm going to show that with you today. So let's get started.
Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, and the deals this week are fire.
Show us, Star, show us.
CVS So Hot this week is this 10 off of 25 coupon that we have that includes beauty and personal care items. This is such a good coupon that applies for so much in the stores. There's a lot of different ways that you can utilize it, but it is one per account and you can find it in your CVS app.
Okay, so she's got a special CVS app coupon that's $10 off of 25 when spent on beauty and personal care. So that's going to come in handy here in the next couple minutes.
What I want to use my coupon on is the 30-ounce Dove body wash. My store is not tagged yet, but these are $9.99.
Okay, so these are $9.99 for the Dove body wash.
And when you buy two, you're going to get back $3 in extra bucks.
Okay, so let me pull up the tool here. You can find this at couponcove.co. It's a really awesome calculator. You just plug in the number or the amount that each item is and how many items you're going to buy, and then you can put in any of the various discounts that you have based on whatever situation you're looking at, and then all you do is calculate it and it'll show you the price. So she said these items are $9.99, and how many did she say she was going to buy?
So we're going to pick up 3 of them for
3 of them. Okay, so we're going to put that in
for $29.97. Then we're going to save $10 with that 10 off of 25 coupon.
Okay, so she's got a $10 off 25, which is why she's buying 3 of them, because that's about 30 bucks. So her first coupon we'll plug in is that $10 off. So we'll put that in here because it's a $10 off coupon, not a percentage off. We'll keep this dollar selected. If it were a percent coupon, we would flip that over to this button here. So we'll keep there. Let's see what else she has.
And we also have a $5 and a $6 digital coupon that's going to come off as well.
Man, $5 and $6 off. Okay, so she's got another one. So for $5. And she's got another one for $6.
So at the register, we're going to pay out $8.97.
Let's calculate that and see. So I put in the $9.99, 3 items, $10 off, $5 off, and $6 off, $8.97. Okay, let's see.
Get back that $3 in extra bucks, making the $5.
So then she also has a $3 cashback member bonus. So we'll plug that in there for $5.97. Let's see.
Cost on these just $1.99 each, which of course is a stock up price. We are
$1.99 each. Okay, $5.97 divided by 3 is $1.99. So she just did the per item price. So it ends up being $5.97 total, which is $1.99 each. So there's also this line here for discount for specific number of items. So this would be like buy 3, get 1 30% off. And so I think there's one here in the next that we'll be able to try that. So after you've made that calculation, if you're good with it and you want to move on, you just click the clear calculator and it starts back over. So let's try another one.
We are also going to grab this deal on the Axe body wash that is really hot this week. So this week, these are $5.99. Buy one, get one 50% off.
Buy one, get one 50% off, $5.99. So we'll put in $5.99. She's going to get 2 of them. And it's one of them is we get 50% off. So we'll put in the discount amount off of 1 item. So let's see what else she's got.
When you buy 2, you're going to get back $3 in extra bucks.
Okay, $3 in extra bucks. So let's scroll down and put that in the cashback member bonus.
We're going to pick up 2 for $8.98. Use a $7.50 off of 2 digital coupon.
So she's got a digital coupon for, it was $7.50 off. So we'll plug that in here.
That'll leave us to pay $148. Then we'll get back a $3 extra buck.
And then the $3 off extra buck.
$152 moneymaker.
Let's see. $1.52 moneymaker. Isn't this calculator awesome? I don't know about you, but for me in the store, trying to calculate multiple coupons, especially different kinds, there's 50% off one, and then there's dollars off the other, and then cash back and stuff. Give this a shot. Let's do another one.
It's on the Palmer's cocoa butter, so we're gonna get the 8.5 ounce size. This week, these are buy one, get one 50% off. When you buy two, you're gonna get back $6 in extra bucks.
There's a buy one, get one 50% off, but what was the price? $6.29 is the price. So $6.29, and she said she was gonna buy two.
This week, these are buy one, get one 50% off.
Buy one, get one 50% off. So we'll plug in 50% discount off of one item.
When you buy two, you're gonna get back $6 in extra bucks. So we're gonna pick up two, that's gonna total.
And $6 in extra bucks. So I'll plug that in the cashback member bonus section.
I have a $1.50 digital coupon that'll
$1.50 coupon. Okay.
me down to $7.93 at the register. Then I'll get back $6 in extra bucks.
$6 in extra bucks. She already said that.
Final cost for these two bottles, just $1.93.
$1.93. Let's see. $1.94. The math, I'm not sure what her math was, but $1.94. So, what do you guys think? It's a pretty cool tool, right? First of all, Star's amazing, and she's able to like finagle digital coupons, cashback bonus, in-store promotions. She knows her stuff. And for her, I'm sure the math she can probably do in her head because she's been doing this so much. But for those of you who are just getting started, think about giving our tool a shot, and let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comments below. Take care.